This episode of AMN's Year in Review is sponsored by Federated Auto Parts.
Welcome back. I'm Amy Antonora here with Nadine Battah, bringing you the second video in our week-long AMN Year in Review series for 2022. Today we take a look back at the top manufacturing news of the year.
That's right. We kick things off with the subject of AMN's September cover story, Cleveland, Ohio-based Transtar Industries. In the feature story, we learn how the Transtar leadership team is evolving the company's strategy and culture from the inside out. Featured in the article are Transtar President and CEO Neil Sethi, Kevin Rosa, Executive Vice President of Business Development, and Anna Gluck, Executive Vice President of Human Resources, who talk about the values-based leadership system that served as the foundation for the company's transformation.
In a transformation of another sort, Lumileds this past August entered into a restructuring support agreement with its majority lenders. The company says this move will accelerate Lumileds' growth and enable further investment in innovation to pursue additional strategic opportunities. In November, the company completed its financial restructuring and emerged from Chapter 11, having reduced funded debt by approximately $1.4 billion.
The automotive aftermarket experienced significant growth through acquisitions this past year as well, including air suspension product manufacturer Arnott, which acquired JRI Shocks. Arnott says the acquisition enables the company to expand its industry-leading air suspension product portfolio within the performance market, including products for streetcars, Jeep vehicles, trucks, motorcycles, and UTVs.
In April, Schaeffler announced plans to relocate and expand its automotive aftermarket operations. The 250,000 square foot facility in Strongsville, Ohio is approximately 5 miles from its current operation in Valley City. In addition to providing more space, the Strongsville Warehouse Distribution Center will feature a redesigned layout to improve inbound and outbound material flow to increase efficiency.
Earlier this year, Grote Industries announced that the fourth generation of the Grote family, Dominic, John, and Mike Grote, have acquired 100% control of the business. Dominic Grote will continue as CEO and president, while John Grote has been appointed Chief Operating Officer, and Mike Grote continues in his role as General Manager, Asia. Bill Grote, Chairman of the Board, and Buzz Grote will continue to serve on the Board of Directors as the third generation hands the reins over to these fourth-generation leaders.
As the automotive aftermarket continues to evolve, NGK Spark Plugs announced that the company will take on a new name starting in April 2023. The company will become Natera North America, Inc. The new name, not specific to spark plugs, combines Latin words nateo, shine, and terra, planet Earth, reflecting the company's future vision and expanding portfolio of products and services.
This year, Mann-Hummel went live with its new West Coast Distribution Center, which will fulfill orders for the Wix filters, Purolator, Man Filter, and private label brands. The 383,000 square foot facility is located across from the Las Vegas Speedway and offers close access to the interstate and local airport. The site employs Locust bot technology to increase productivity and order accuracy as well.
Returning to the topic of acquisitions, in February it was announced that Tenneco entered into a definitive agreement to be acquired by affiliates of the Apollo funds. The deal was completed this past November, and veteran executive Jim Voss has been named CEO.
The M&A news continued in 2022 when it was announced in August that private equity firm Hidden Harbor Capital Partners would acquire engine products and drive systems supplier Dayco. Terms of the deal were not disclosed.
This brings us to the 10th and final story in our look back at the top manufacturing news from the automotive aftermarket in 2022. This story speaks to the changing tides in the automotive industry as the world takes a closer look at sustainability efforts. Just last month, Chevron USA signed an agreement to acquire full ownership of Beyond 6 and its network of 55 compressed natural gas stations across the U.S. Chevron says the new offerings are an essential part of its portfolio of solutions to help customers support a lower carbon future.
That's a wrap. Thanks for joining us today for this episode of AMN Year in Review.
We'll see you back here tomorrow with the top distribution news of 2022. See you then.
See ya.
Bye.